Hello guys, this is your friend the GreatLobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Now we have done some amazing reviews of a few models coming in from a fast growing brand within smartwatches, which is Kieslect. Now they have just launched this new version, an upgrade from their K11, which has some really amazing
Fine, thank
features, an
you. Have a
upgrade to a
nice
lot of
day.
features, and some new features as well. I'm going to tell you everything about it, show you how it looks like, and everything around, and give you a chance to win one of these bad boys from us. Now, to do that, all you have to do is press the subscribe button and the notification icon down there and get a chance to win this. Along with that, you can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and Twitter as well. Handle is at GreatLobbyist. And it's not just a smartwatch, it also is a fitness band, so it's got a lot of health features as well. I'm going to tell you everything about it. Let's start with ripping this bad boy open and see what it packs inside and how the watch looks like. So straight on, slide it out, beautiful watch outside, which you can straight away see right here. Let's take out the plastic, put it right here. Great looking design, very premium finish straight on the look of it. Under this is got a magnetic type 2-pin charger and the paperwork. Let's keep all this on this side and focus on this bad boy right here. Let's turn this on and see if it has any battery. Yes, it does. We are rolling. We are rolling. When you look at the build quality of this one, quick startup, as you can see, it quickly did start up very, very quickly. A beautiful looking watch. The lights start blinking, trying to sense it. And we are looking at a great, beautiful metallic finish. It's amazing. It's got 1.32 inches of semi-AMOLED display, which is 2.5D hardened, high hardness glass cover to make sure that it stays safe. And if you scratch it around, IP68 waterproof, and it has a microphone and speaker, so that means it has a calling
Hello.
chip. It's which is fantastic.
Fine, thank
So
you. Have a nice
amazing stuff.
day.
Light, beautiful zinc alloy body. It's amazing looking. Let me put this on and show you. I think the battery was quite low, so it went off pretty quickly. No, it's still there. Here we go, and you can see it's all the world. It's got the world's third two-in-one core calling chip, which is normally used by some of the big brands, which enables less power consumption, and it is even slimmer in the profile to make sure that the form factor of this stays as slim as that, and this thickness gives it a little bit of premium feel as well. 280 mAh battery, giving you 2 hours of charge, giving you 5 days of battery life and 25 days of standby. All the amazing smartwatch features in it. It's got Bluetooth voice and data transmission. It's got a built-in music player. It's got some built-in games, smart voice assistant as well, and also password protection option. You can customize the dial via the Glory Fit app. Now, if you go back and check our videos, you'll see some of those as well. Flashlight option, remote camera shutter as well with the phone that you're connecting it to, and all the smart features of an assistant like timers and notification. And when it comes to health, it makes sure that your health is taken care of with the SPO2 monitor, heart rate monitor, stress monitoring, sleep monitoring. So wow, it's got the step counter, which is pretty common, calorie counter as well, and of course it has the women's health taken care of as well with menstrual period tracking as well. 70 plus workout mode from walking, running, cycling, swimming, dancing, fighting, etc. So all the amazing health features are packed inside this beautiful looking watch. I'm going to put it on, pair it up, and as you will see in this video, you've seen in the video footage of this smartwatch, that it has all the features like I use it every day, and the calling feature becomes one of my favorites. So I'm going to keep it on, not take it off, and you guys can check out the link below on where you can buy this and get it delivered right into your doorstep, packed with power, packed with fitness, and most importantly, I'll tell you, I've used the ones with the microphone calling features, and the call, it makes life much more easier, especially when you're working or even driving. and you forget your
Hello.
Bluetooth headphones and you're not carrying them, this works
I'm fine, thank
perfectly. I
you.
mean,
Have
all
a
the
nice
voice
day.
quality on this is fantastic. Guys, check it out. Let us know what you think. Press the subscribe button and notification icon and get a chance to win this. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. You're so safe. Peace.